We're beginning to walk down to Cherokee Falls from Cloudland Canyon in the rain. Look down there, you can see a little bit of the top of the falls. We get down to an hour and a half trail. Actually, that's just an hour and a half round trip trail to both waterfalls, Cherokee and Hemlock. Got a good area here of signage. The trails in the park seem to be well marked. There we go. And just gotta watch our footing because it's wet. There's some slippery spots here on the trail. 600 stairs. Actually, it doesn't look very far now. Yeah, look at that. Wet. Alright. Out here in the riverbed where the trail seems to go. At the base of Cherokee Falls. Walk up here, this is really nice. Even with the rain, you can get a lot of water coming over the top of it. Another warning sign. Good idea to listen to warning signs. People get seriously injured or killed all over the country, all over the world, just because they figure it's for somebody else. It's not gonna happen to me. But yeah, it will happen to you if you don't want to listen to the warning signs. Unfortunately, the rest of us got to pick up your pieces, sometimes quite literally, and that's not cool, man. Alright, starting down the rest of the stairs, all 600 of them, I remember, heading toward Hemlock Falls. There's a viewing platform down there through the woods. Not sure that would be the falls or not. There's a nice rock face here in the gorge. Let's see where we're heading now. It's like being in a couple bowls down here in the waterfalls. See what I mean? It's one great big bowl with sloping sides and scalloped edges on both sides of the gorge. Almost to the end. The rain is coming to an end for a while, it looks like. Sun is trying to peek out. Here we got Hemlock Falls. Which is the end of the Waterfalls trail. Kind of misty down here from the waterfall itself. Kind of neat. One thing's not neat is all this graffiti out here. I mean, folks, your taxpayers paid for this, but it doesn't mean you can go ahead and destroy it. Next time, please leave your name and address so some of us other hikers can come by your house and deface your place. I think it's only fair. Look at that. Spectacular. You kind of see why they don't have the trail going all the way up to the base. It'd be hazardous. But it'd be kind of neat, I think, if you can kind of see what's on the other side of that boulder there that probably came off that top of that thing hundreds or thousands of years ago. That's about it for this trek in the woods. Catch you on the flip-flop.